Are you tired of lugging around clunky coolers that leave your drinks lukewarm and your snacks uninspiring? Well, say goodbye to boring picnics and hello to the ACOPower LiONCooler X30A. With its 32 quart capacity, this cooler has all the space you need to keep your beverages ice cold and your food fresh. But that's just the beginning. Get ready for some high-tech picnic action. With our free Bluetooth app, available for iOS and Android, you can adjust the cooler's temperature with a simple swipe of your finger. Now, that's what we call chilling in style. Charging this bad boy is a breeze. Whether you're at home, on the road, or basking in the sun, the LiONCooler can handle it all. Plug it into an AC outlet, connected to your car's 12-volt DC socket, or go green with solar panels. The choice is yours. Need to charge your phone? No problem. Our LiONCooler doubles as a power bank. Just plug in your device and let it juice up while you enjoy your cool beverages. It's like having your own personal charging station. So, whether you're planning a beach day, a camping trip, or just a good old-fashioned backyard barbecue, the ACOPower LiONCooler X30A has got your back. Say goodbye to warm drinks and hello to the coolest cooler in town.